Guys, she has no idea. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my God, she has no idea. Where is she going? Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm up here on the roof. She has no idea I'm up here. This is hilarious. She's losing her mind. Watch, watch. Where's she going? What is she doing? She does not think that's gonna work. Should I open the trunk? Watch this. She tried to use caution tape. Are you serious? She has no idea I'm here. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. She's taping the car. Look at this. I'm gonna try, watch this. Oh. The tape. Oh no, she's going back to the tape. Oh. This is hilarious. I can't believe she hasn't figured it out yet. She is taping the trunk shut. You have got to be kidding me. Let's see if it works. Oh, it actually worked. It held it, but it's popped open. All right, let's do the alarm one more time. You gotta be kidding me. She has no idea what's happening. Where is she going? Her car's going off. Is she checking the trees? You have got to be kidding me. Oh. All right, we're gonna try the trunk one more time, see if we can get it to open. Oh, it opened. Oh no, she's losing her mind. Should I tell her? Let's do it one more time, it's too fun. All right, so we're gonna hit the trunk again. I feel like I have to tell her. Guys, she has used painter's tape to tape down the hood of the car. Oh, she's figuring it out. She's figuring it out. She's figuring it out. I got it to open one last time. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Here, let's do the alarm one more time. One more time. This is way too funny. Watch this. All right, we gotta tell her. Hey, Rae, is there something wrong with your car?